Hey, it's Sean again from Get 'em Out Wildlife Control. And I'm just gonna go over some work that we've done and show you what's going on. Check it out. So, on this house, uh, you've probably seen it before, but this whole area was like falling off. It was just like ice dams and just rotten fascia soffit and eaves trough. So we've done all new fascia, a new roof, we've done new soffit, and then we've done new eaves trough, run it down. But let's just go over some important stuff here, right? So we've also removed all the ceilings in this house. It's specifically the front room, and we've blocked off access from the neighbor's house because the neighbors were the problem as well, right? So when you have attached neighbors, if they have a raccoon in their attic, there is a high likelihood that that animal has the ability to crawl through the soffit from one part of the attic to the next part of the attic, regardless of the firewall or not. So I'm going to show you what's going on. So up in here, like, we have this beautiful house that we've all done, nice crisp clean corners, and then the neighbor, I'm going to zoom in here, I'm trying to, there we go, big ass hole in the roof. Yeah, so the raccoons literally dug a hole through the roof. So this house is generational. So what that means is mom had babies, her babies have had babies, and those babies have had babies, and trust me, there's a lot of babies in this house. We pulled out 3 different litters of babies out of this house from 3 different mothers, and there's still babies in this attic because they're coming from the neighbor's house now. This is unheard of. Like, I've never in my 17 years of working with wildlife have ever had a house that has had 5, 10, 15, at least 20 baby raccoons inside the attic. That's wild. That's absolutely nuts. Anyway, long story short though, the tenants are moving out of the house, and that gives us the opportunity to drop the ceiling and get rid of all the contamination. This house was purchased with raccoons, so it was kind of an obvious thing that they're going to have to do something about it. So I've worked with the landlords, the owners, for quite a few months now, orchestrating and organizing and getting everything done correctly. So now, like I said, on the end of June 1st, I believe, we're going to go in, we're going to remove all the ceilings, the entire ceiling of the upstairs, because it's a flat roof up there, right? So there's no attic access. There's no way for us to get in there without either removing the flat roof on top or removing the drywall on the inside. So if nobody's living there, well, we're just going to quarantine the entire house. We're going to put down plastic, negative air pressure, HEPA filters, all that fun stuff. And then we're going to remove all the drywall that's on the ceiling, drop down all the poo-poo kachoo that's going to rain on us. It's disgusting. And then once that's done, we're going to paint all the joists and all the trusses and everything like that, and make sure there's no mold, no mildew, no water damage. Any chewed wires, we'll tape, we'll flag. I'll get my electrician come in. They're going to fix whatever's going on. And then once that's all done, then I'm going to have our spray foam guys come in. They're going to spray foam the entire ceiling, bring it up to R30, which is way more than it was in there in the first place. And we're going to block off access from the neighbor's house into this attic. So if that neighbor has raccoons, well, cool, good for you. But as long as they don't affect my customer, that's the only thing I care about. So again, Get 'em Out. We are the only full restoration company specifically designed for wildlife. So it doesn't matter what it is. If it's a mouse that's, chewed a dishwasher line, we'll fix it. If it's raccoons that have completely destroyed the house, hey, we'll fix it. We've done jobs where raccoons are underneath an addition, and that addition was an extension of the house to build a kitchen. We literally had to remove the kitchen, remove the subfloor, remove everything just to clean up all the disinfect underneath, because there was dead raccoons. It smelled really, really bad. It was gross. It was the only option that we had. But then we fixed it and we repaired it and made sure that the raccoons can't get underneath there. And just a quick reminder and heads up, anything that we do comes with a full lifetime guarantee, so you don't have to worry about this again. Yes, it sucks. It's a shitty deal when you get an animal living in your house or destroying your house, but I know that it sucks. But at the end of the day, like, we'll come, we'll get them out, we'll fix, we'll repair, we'll clean it up, we'll make sure you never get another one again. And if you do, you call us and we come back out and we fix it for free. As long as through any of the areas that we service. Like if a tree falls on your house or you get a shitty handyman that leaves a hole in the roof, like, I'm not going to guarantee that kind of stuff. But generally there's hot spots where animals can get in. We're going to block all those off. And if something gets through those areas, we're going to fix it for free. But again, if you ever have an animal in the house, you need to get it out, you give us a call, we'll come out, we'll fix the house, we'll make sure it looks good at the same time, and you'll never have to worry about it again. Thanks for watching. Take care.